I'm Miss Bowen, and this year in Honors Algebra 1, we're going to be using the flipped classroom method. Now I know there's some questions and maybe not all of us understand it or what it means, so I made this short video to kind of help clear some of the parts up. Now the definition of flipped classroom means that it inverts the traditional teaching methods to provide instruction online outside of the classroom and to move, the big one, practice and, quote, homework into the classroom. Now, I use a little bit of a diagram to help show this. So in this picture, you see the traditional classroom. In the class, the teacher's in front of the board giving the notes and instruction. All the students are sitting around taking notes. Now this works well for some students and they do okay. And then you have some of the students that are bored and they're not being challenged enough. And then you have some of the students that are lost and they don't understand the notes. So what happens is in class that this all occurs, then they go home to work on their homework. So at home the student who understood the notes gets it okay, he's good. The student who's bored is able to move through the work fast and be done quickly, thinking the work was easy. And then the student who was lost and didn't understand in class is still lost and doesn't understand at home. And right now the teacher has all these different levels of students she's trying to meet her instruction for, but really only getting to 1 or 2 out of the 3 there. What the flipped classroom does is it takes the scenario right here and flips it around. So that at home, the students all get on their computers and they watch these videos online, much like this video right here. Now, if you don't have the internet at the house, but you have a computer, we're able to save these videos. Just come to me before school or after school or at the end of class and we'll save all these videos on a thumb drive for you. If you don't have a computer at the house or the internet, and you still need to be able to watch the videos, you can come in early, before school at 7:30 or after school till 4:30. I'll be here, I'll have laptops set up in the back of my classroom, so you can come in and watch the lessons on your own time. Or if you get free time throughout the day, the librarian said it's okay to come in and watch them as well. So we'll provide as many opportunities and as many options to be able to watch these videos, whether it be at home. All these videos are also accessible on your smart devices. So smartphones, whether it be iPhone or Droid, it will work on both. Or you can come into school and watch them here. So on your own time, maybe at home, maybe here at school, but on your own time, you watch these video lessons. And some students get it well and they understand quickly. Some students who are maybe bored in the classroom are now able to fast forward and go just review things they know and take notes quickly and then really pay attention to the new material and work at their own pace. And the student that maybe didn't understand the work in class now has the option to be able to pause, rewind, and re-watch parts of the notes that she didn't understand. It also allows her to work at her own pace. Now, one of the best things about technologies these days is that it allows us to be able to be connected socially. So if this student watches the notes and rewinds and still has questions after she rewatches it, she can then connect to her classmates and ask them questions about the homework through the discussion forum on the online website. So if you go to the classroom website, you know the Honors Algebra 1 tab, there's a tab right beside of it that says Honors Discussions. So the students can get on there and discuss with each other the notes and any ideas or questions they might have and answer it among their friends and peers. So if all of this happens outside of the classroom at home, inside the classroom that frees up and gives opportunities for students to work at their own pace in class. It also provides the opportunity to create a more problem and project-based classes in which we can have students work in groups and finish big projects together. And it also allows for that student who still needs some one-on-one help more attention. So I really like the flipped classroom method because here at home, they can work at their own pace, taking notes and reviewing and learning the material. And then we come in class, we'll review their notes and we'll go over some more examples, and then we'll be able to work at our own pace and do projects. So I really like the flipped classroom method, and I know it will work great for us this coming year. Hope to see you soon. Thank you.